This is the HMX T-REX. At just 20 cents a switch, they might be the deal of the year, and it's only the third day. Unikey sent me these over for review, and today we're diving in to see if they deliver sound that is simply unfair for the price. We're going to run a full sound test on the Neo65 Core Plus, this time in copper, to see exactly how they sound. And then we're going to put it up against the S tier Sunset Gleam V2 from yesterday to see how close a 20-cent switch can actually get. All right, let's take a look at the switch. The HMX T-REX Linear Switch is HMX's first budget-friendly linear switch. It's designed by QVQ Studio and OEM manufactured by HMX. A cheaper price doesn't mean these switches are low quality. They stay up to HMX production and factory lubing standards with no exceptions. Sound and feel-wise, you can expect them to be similar to some of the OG HMX switches such as Hyacinth V2 or Clouds, as the customized mold set used for T-REX was developed based on the same mold set those switches used. All right, let's take a look at the specs. They're linears, and they have a palm stem, PC top housing, PA66 bottom. Those are very strong. That's a goated combo. Operating force 45 grams, bottom out force 50, pre-travel 1.8, total travel 3.6. All right, here come the sound tests. Bro, did you hear that? These are good. These are almost as good as Sunset Gleams, really. Now, having said that, I did find 2 or 3 of these on this whole board were making a little bit of crap noises. I don't know if it's due to lube or what, but some of them on the top out sound was a little loose sounding, a little loose fitting. I had to swap them out. Once I replaced the switch, everything was good. This one has the good switches in it. But how good is that switch? It is like almost the same as the Sunset Gleam. The Sunset Gleam is a tiny bit higher, but honestly, 20 cents? Yo, this is a buy. Sunset Gleams are obviously the GOAT, but Sunset Gleams cost 75% more than these. Sunset Gleams are 35 cents, these are 20 cents. That means you could outfit this whole board for $14 in switches. These are a budget king, yo. You might have to buy a couple extra and swap them out, but honestly, these switches cannot be beat for this price. If you're a beginner just starting, these should be the first switch you should buy for HMX Clack if you don't want to splurge and go for the Sunset Gleams. This has been a really eye-opening switch for me. I can't believe how good these are. There's like no reason to buy Key Geek or anything else. Just buy these. All right, peace out. I'm going to go on to the next switch.